So I know if you're out of alignment, the first thing that happens is fear sets in. I'm in a profession.
You can be out of alignment and not feel fear. You just feel those stronger emotions. If it's something you really want and you're out of alignment, then you feel a stronger negative emotion.
And eventually people end up with hypertension, anxiety, and all of those results
because momentum takes them down into the bay.
And I'm in a profession where I daily treat people with that. I'm a pharmacist, and I'm now so stuck because every day I know that's not what I want to do. The more I do it, the more I know I don't want to do it.
But hear this. You also don't want to say, get up, you little dummy. You also want to say, that's where they are, and that's their path of least resistance for right now. Don't you have to meet people where they are?
But I want to think about myself. I want to get out of that profession. I so want to do what I want to do now.
Yeah?
And that is to lead them to liberty, show them about being in alignment.
You know what? You can do both. You can stay right where you are and get yourself into alignment on a really regular basis. You see, as you make that statement, oh, it's powerful, and it's not the first time you've said it, and it's big, it's huge, it's in your vortex. And something that we want you to know, you've heard it from us before, but we must say it again, is that your inner being knows where you are in relationship to everything you want, and knows the path of least resistance to get you there. Knows your path of least resistance. Hear what that means. Your inner being knows all your limiting beliefs and all the thoughts that are in your way that are making it more difficult for you to get to where you want to go. But because your inner being knows where all of them are, your inner being can call you on your path of least resistance. Your inner being isn't saying, get rid of all the resistance and then we'll have a talk. And you don't want to say that to the people in your life either. Your inner being is saying, we know what you want, and we're calling you there. And it's a joyful journey as your thoughts turn to things. So don't make it the big deal that you're making it. Just enjoy your journey. It does not matter what you're doing. It only matters how you're feeling when you're doing it. Because how you're feeling when you're doing it is an indication of how much of you is present. And when more of you is present, the leverage of alignment, one who's connected to source energy is more powerful than millions who are not, you see. So it's not what you're doing or how you're going about it. It's how you feel whenever you're doing whatever it is that you're doing. And so in your vortex are a lot of things. You wanted something that was a good living. You wanted something that was reliable and dependable. You wanted something that would be helpful to people. You've got all those things. Now, just like every creation, once you've created something, you don't stop creating it. You continue to add more to it. So you're adding more nuances to what you want. And we're not suggesting that you should stay right there forevermore. But we're just saying you can't get to where you want to go by trying to get away from where you are. Because trying to leave one place puts you in resistance and won't let you go to another place. You have to love the best things about where you are, which opens the doors to even better.